Yo, yo, yo. What's up, Carl? What's up, Carl? Like morning. Tabo. Good morning, bro. Hey, bro, what's up, bro? Adi. Ramadan, bro. Bro, I didn't grow up in that culture, bro. Am I right? But I think gold is selling today, bro. I haven't even looked at gold as yet. I haven't even looked at gold as yet, bro. One Adi. Morning there, bro. Hey, morning, bro. Morning, bro. All right, let's see. You locked in? Sell your USD. Okay, let's see. Maybe we could get in on sales too. Still got 30 more minutes until New York, bro. I was tired, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I woke up late today. Bro. I was tired. Good stuff happening under 30 minutes. All right, let's see. Euro USD. Bro, I've been doing these paper trades on the swing setup right here. AED CAD, NZD Swiss. This one didn't flip. All right, let's see EU. You win EU sell. Let's see. It's not looking bad. It's at a tough spot though. I was looking at this for a flip maybe 6 hours ago. But EU is tricky, bro. It's at a tough spot. Hope today we can make double. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened, bro. Let's pull up Goldie. Bro, I was tired. Bro, woke up late, man. Today we can what idea? So USD, what idea? Yeah, I think USD is gonna be tough. Here USD, let's see GU. Maybe you could have volume. Let's see GUs. If GU is moving on the downside too, and AU, then maybe something can happen on yeah, so GU is rejecting too, bro. It's a tough spot. See AU. Yeah, I got a tough spot here, man. So you need some volume to break through that support. Let's do the swinging through. Or maybe we could give it some time, but got a tough level right here. Tough support right there, bro. Maybe with some volume you could break through, because it rejected here, rejected. So you never know what can happen right here. Earlier I was looking at it like this, maybe this candle could flip right high, but yeah, we just gotta see what happened on all right, so Goldie, let's start fresh. Start fresh on Goldie. Remove joins. Okay, we got some nice range so far. Let's see. Let's start on the H4. This H4 is not even accurate. No look for me on AUD CAD. I am looking short. Let's see. I'm looking for AUD CAD to go down, bro. It's not in a bad spot. We're gonna check AUD CAD soon. We gotta check gold on the. All right, let's see. Let's do the 4-hour right here. Let's just use this. Let's just use this. So we got, let's see, we got some weak rejection here. So we're gonna have to fix it on the lower time frame. So right now we got that area, we got resistance here. So let's see what's happening on the lower time frame. Let's check the daily real quick. Okay, daily can potentially flip. Daily can potentially flip to continue going down. I'm looking at the. All right, so let's do this because we're gonna go back to gold after on trading view. Let's do this. H4, got some level right there. Let's see what's looking like on the 1 hour. All right, so on the 1 hour, we could say we got support here. All right, on the top side, you know, we could say something like this. Let's fix it down on the 30 minute. Let's get the better levels on the 30 minute. So we need a level right there too. This price did make support. All right, so we got support here. Got some support right here. Rejection, support. Let's see. This was resistance earlier, but price isn't respecting it. You would think that, okay, you know, it was looking like this. And then the next candle like break and close. So this is what it's looking like right now. So this is what we're working with right now. This is what we're working with right now. So right now, this is not even looking too bad. It's technically closed above with a body, but this rejection here is crazy. We still got this wick up here. So maybe with zoom back out. Let's check the 15 minute real quick. Let's check the 15 minute. Yeah, it's not the best price action. It's not the best price action. It looks better on the 30 minute actually. Looks a lot better on the 30 minute. A lot better on the 30 minute, because then you could look at this and could be like, okay, this candle broke above and closed with a body, bottom wick, flip, but let's see. Well, maybe it's doing something like this. It's swapping at see what can happen between now and London Open. He just hit support. He got a crazy rejection here. You know, price came down, rejection. Like, you know, you can see some bull candles here. It's ranging, closing above the range and stuff. So let's see what happens. The 30 minute candle might be the best shot right here. Good morning. Hey, Fino, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Thank you. Hey, no problem, bro. No problem, man. No problem, bro. Maybe with some London value, we can get a push to the upside. Got a nice range. Got a nice range. So let's see.
Quick.
Let's see. All right, so if you break this level, how many pips? 34 pips. 34 pips to the low of 29. Let's see what happened with the volume. Gotta wait on that volume. All right. The face is not coming up. Oh, let's see. Let's see what happened right here. Let's see what happened here, bro. Let's see what happened here. Why is it not coming up? Alright, let's do this. Bro, that is crazy. It is not coming up. It's saying I'm not there. I don't know. I have no idea. I would have to literally close OBS and that's gonna end. It looks like ghost charts. I guess today's a ghost day, bro. I don't know. I have no idea. It won't come up. Add. It's not letting me add the It's not letting me add the thing. It's not letting me add it, bro. I'm here though. I don't know what happened. I've never seen this before. I wonder if I close OBS if it's gonna end the stream. Man, why is it doing that, bro? Oh, I think I know why. Let's see. Trying to fix this camera, bro. Like, why is it doing this thing? Why is it doing this thing over here? Saying I'm a ghost. Saying I'm a ghost. It's saying I'm a ghost. Let's see. Bro, it's weird how this stuff just happened. I didn't change anything. Got up from the stream, bro. Just closed the laptop down and now, this just happened right here. Bro, it's saying I'm a ghost. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see something. Let's see something. I don't know, bro. It's not going. Oh, maybe because it needs an update. I think because it needed an update. I'm updating the software right now, so let's see. Looks like Ghost Right. Hey, Mickey, what's up, bro? How are you? I buy today Alpha Capital 10K and I don't care. 0.5 per risk and follow my rule. Nice. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Let's go. Camera is good. I don't know. There's an update happening, so let's see. But that was a different camera. That wasn't the right camera. But I just did an update, so let's see. Let's see what happened over here. I'll try this one more time. If not, bro, this is gonna be a ghost stream. It's gonna be a ghosty stream, bro. It's gonna be a ghost stream. Alfred, is that Alfred? Alfred, you back, bro? You back from the I don't know what you want to call it. Back from the trenches. All right, let's see. Your capture. We'll try this one more time, bro. From heaven. Bro, what is this? Why is it saying I'm not there? Yeah, this might be a ghost stream here today. Bro, this never happened before. If I close OBS, will it end the stream? That's the question. It's an OBS problem. I don't think it's a camera problem. Automatically close application. Okay, let's see. Good day, brother. What setting do you have for the background color and candle colors? Right here. This one right here, bro. This red right here, and this green right here. Yeah, that was the wrong camera though. Let's see. Try it one last time. The camera is updating, so I think that might be. My camera is corrupted or something. Do you use journal or you journal is live? Right now it's live because I usually go back and watch the entries. But I usually journal, bro. Journaling is good. I highly recommend it. Super recommend it, bro. Like, if you could journal, like, you know, it's gonna help you keep structure to your entries. Because when you make them stupid entries, you're gonna realize you can't even journal it because it was just impulse. There was no reason. So a lot of time, bro, when you journal, it helps you to like not make like unnecessary entries because you're gonna realize like, yo, what kind of entry was this? I can't even add it to the journal. So it does help, bro. It does help a lot. Highly recommend journaling, bro. Like, you know, if you could even get a service where you can journal your thing properly, that's even better. That's even better, bro. Um, yes, but I think starting recording my whole trading, maybe I can find this. Maybe I can find what is my problem. Yeah, just got a journal, bro. Journal, bro. You have to, bro. Leave notes, like document, like it helps a lot. You could get like you could just use something like Excel. You could go on YouTube and find like trading journals, bro. And you just edit it to like what makes sense to you. But if you could journal, bro, I said journal. If you could journal, I said journal, bro. Bro, what is this thing over here? I don't know. I don't know, bro. Let's see if it's working on TikTok. I don't know why it's not. So it's a camera issue, okay. same thing on TikTok. Maybe it's a computer, bro. Maybe it needs a restart. We got 8 more minutes until London Open. 8 more minutes. I didn't. Oh, really, bro? I didn't even do anything. Oh, I think as soon as I closed TikTok, bro. As soon as I closed TikTok Studio, that's it. It came back. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff over here on TikTok Studio. TikTok is crosses. Alright, bro. Bet. Alright, bet, bro. But it was working first because someone said they liked the jersey. I don't know what happened. It's because you can't have 2 cameras at the same time. Oh yeah, but the thing is, bro, like this app, split camera, it can use it on TikTok Studio too, and like multiple things. But I don't know. I just needed to close TikTok. TikTok is scam. TikTok is a fraud, bro. Bro, like I don't even know. Let's see. Maybe we could go live today. Let's see. Sometimes I have OBS open and discard camera on. One of them won't work. Yeah, at first that was happening to me too. But then when I set up split cam, I was able to use 2. Able to use 2. Split cam you can use 2 because usually, bro, I can use I can go live on TikTok and on YouTube at the same time but I only can do it with split cam. But yeah, right now goal is like gotta wait for something that makes sense, you know. Right now we're just ranging. Oh, you have split cam? Yeah, split cam. Let's see, 80k that went short. Yeah, I'm wanting 80k to go down too, bro. I'm wanting 80k to go down too. I'm wanting this to go down too. It's looking like, if you look right here, like, you know, it came down, made a bull, made resistance, continuation. This candle just needs to respect the previous candle. You know, that's the thing with this candle, it just needs to respect it. But where did you enter? Because it's still valid, bro. Like it's just doing its thing. It's still valid. I think sells are not valid, you know, above this area right here. 200. You got in at 200. Yeah, you still got to give it time, bro. It's still valid if you look at it. I think it's not valid once Alpha Capital is good or used first time. Yeah, I've heard Alpha Capital is good. Actually opened when I was getting the challenge, I opened it with them, but I had to refund it because I didn't know that they didn't allow C trader in the US for the challenge. Yeah. But bro, like you just gotta see, maybe like just give it some time. Give it some time, bro. Like anything up here is like red flag, but right now it's like chilling. You just gotta see if it's gonna reject again or like keep coming down, you know? Just look what it did up here, bro. Like, you know, it was messing around and then it eventually broke. So let's see if it's gonna mess around and then eventually break here too. So you just gotta see what happened right here. GN, yeah, this was a good one too. I'm testing something right now. Let's see, NZD Swiss. NZD Swiss 80 CAD. So let's see. NZD JPY. Yeah, this was a good one too. And you so the alert right here. I set an alert here on NU for a continuation. Let's see what happened. All right. Well, AUD just needs some time. Pino, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Sikazwi. Bro, check US 30. All right, let's see US 30, bro. US 30 is looking like it's just going up slowly. You could get an entry on buys, target this level right here. And we could get a buy somewhere here, bro. In some gold sells and looks really crazy. Let's see. Yeah, US 30, bro, like slowly getting that uptrend structure, bro. On a daily, let's see. Yeah, it's slowly getting that correction from this push down last week. Or whenever it was. Was it last week? Yeah, I think it was last week. Sometime it was just crashing down. So you're getting some, slow structure here. Maybe you could swing buys to probably that level. Maybe you can wait on a candle like this or something. Just wait on some volume or. But it looks slow, bro. It looks slow. In some good sells and yeah, it's just ranging right now though. Like I'm waiting to see like let's see. We got 1 more minute, so let's see. Nothing special happening right here either. This might be an impulse. If anything, this might be an impulse. So let's say this kind of flip right now and start breaking, these levels. This would be like 25 pip. So let's see what happened with volume. This would just be based off volume. Yeah, so let's see. 25. Yeah, this is just, if it just starts breaking, then I'll be interested. But right now it's like, it's in the range right now. So you can't even tell what's gonna happen. Got London open. Oh, will it break? Will it break with that volume? I think it's worth a shot. 27. All right, so let's see, because this is looking like it's getting serious. I would want it to break this weight though, just because that's the last rejection here. Break, and if it comes back to, this is 27 pips. Let's see. If it comes back to like 12 pips, then I'll close half. We got some volume coming in, so let's see. Comes back 12 pips, yeah. So let's see. I feel like the next candle is the next. I feel like the next candle would be the candle that actually pushes up, though. But let's see. I'm gonna give it a shot right here. If it break this wick. London open volume. So let's see what happened. All right, so I'm just going right here. If it comes back to 12 pips, I'm gonna close half the position. 0.5 risk. So let's see.
Nobody's asked you this today.
The spread on this account is horrible.
Are you really fine? I mean, you know it's okay.
So
It
let's
feels a lot
see.
sometimes. It's all right that you don't want to smile. You don't need to explain bad moments away. We
Back
all get them.
to the break of
I never
this
meant to hurt
range.
you. I never meant to fall out of love with
Yeah.
you.
So let's see what
Because I
happens here.
truly did love you.
If this can hold up for the next 15-minute candle, that
I'm
would
the
be good.
same
If
way.
this can
Because the
close
day
above
doesn't
this
come too soon
range,
for me to
the
stay.
next
I'll just
50-minute
take you
candle,
to stay the
make like a
same.
small bottom wick,
Maybe
then
we
I
can become
continue
something
pushing.
someday. One day. You know I love you. I'm sorry
Yeah,
that
we
I
don't
said
want to
this
hear this
earlier.
thing right here. So let's see what happened. Let's see. So let's see what volume we can have. Let's see how much volume we can have right here. On a regular day, we definitely need this candle to close with the body. And then the next candle to continue pushing. But, you know, we got volume right now, so let's see what happens. This is based off volume. This stop loss is actually supposed to be lower. This one's supposed to be right here. About go from 30, 29, 20, 30, 29. Let's see. About go from 30, 29. 30, 29. Oh, nice. You got it all the way down here? Yeah, I was sleeping at that time. 30, 29. Oh, you got it at the nice support, bro. Yeah, because this was a nice wick rejection. You know, this was a nice rejection. Wait, this was a nice wick rejection right here. So, yeah, the price action here is like, I'm surprised the price action is this bad, like, you know, at this time. Usually it's better. Still couldn't execute on this though, because this next candle, like, maybe on the 50-minute it looked better. Bottom wick flip. Oh yeah, that wasn't bad. On the 50-minute it makes sense. You got support, you know, this made a bottom wick flip, you know, break. You could get like how many pips? If you did this execution, this was like, oh, it went as far as even 50, 45 pips. Yeah, this was not a bad setup. This is basically the same. This is basically the same setup as yesterday. Waited on that support. I mean, this kind of had like lots of volume. It wasn't. This is not as easy as the one yesterday, but it's the same principle. You know, price came down, crazy rejection. You have support. Next candle, bottom wick flip, execution. So that wasn't bad. I was sleeping at that time though. I was asleep. So let's see what can happen on volume over here. Will this 15-minute if this 15-minute candle can close above, like that's a W. You know, we got some momentum for the next candle. But apart from that, like, you just gotta see. Yeah, stopped out, got in too early. And what? In some gold cells. Oh, you got stopped out on cells? Yeah, it was ranging, bro. It was ranging. Right now, we just want to see if volume can hold this up. But if this comes back down in this range, I'm closing half. And I'm gonna have like a 12 pip margin to see if price can, like, you know, fix that. I don't see a scenario where I can add the other half back, but just gotta see. Need more candles. So let's see what happened in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Longest time, bro. Yeah, bro. We've been here. We've been here every day for the past month, bro. 3 a.m. Eastern time, 3 a.m. EDT time. We've been here in all time zones, bro. Even when they change the clock, we're still here. We just gotta see if we could get, like, you know, we can see if we can get a W on a Friday, bro. A W on a Friday is a W, bro. So let's see what happened over here. Need the next candle. Need this candle to close. Just want to see this candle close above here, bro. Then, like, everything will seem easier. Spread on this account is horrible, bro. Like, I always get some, bro. Look at the entry. Look at this entry, bro. Like, you know, you gotta fight a war out here, bro. Like, you gotta go against the market, you gotta go against broker, you gotta go against everything, bro. And I can't execute early because it's important for it to break this week. You know, so it's just crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. Should I keep my buy open? I'm still in, bro. I want to see this candle close. Got 5 more minutes. This 15-minute candle can close up here without, like, just crashing back. I mean, we have nice range on the upside. London open. So let's see. This was a breakout based on volume. London open volume. So let's see. Let's see what happened here. I need the next candle though. Start working on that structure. Taking 3023. Bro, Calvin, you've been on that 2023 since yesterday. Did it take it? Yeah, it took everything down here. You're right, bro. It did take it. It did take it, bro. We got 5 more minutes on this candle. Let's see. A lot can happen in 5 minutes. Will it come back in this range? Morning, son. Mommy. Morning, mommy. Good morning. You locked in? Mommy, you locked in? You up this early? Yeah, this is coming down. I'm ready to close half right here. Ready to close half right here. Let's see. Yeah, right here. We're not playing. It's about to come down. Yeah, right here. Boom. Oh, shoot. Well, I closed both. If it's gonna come back, if it's gonna go this far and then come back down here, there's a high probability it's gonna flip. So after this adjustment might start, when we start downtrend, yeah, I got out of there, got out right there. Got out right there. Yeah, if it's gonna go this high and then come back down here, like at the opening, yeah, that is not good. That is why, like, I was like, this kind of need to close. This kind of need to close. So see, that's the thing with, like, breakout, even with, like, volume, London open, like, you know, this is gonna happen. That's why, like, you know, I stick to the break and close all the time. But, like, London open, I've seen it, you know, I've seen the break happen before and it just, like, keep going up. So let's see. You came on late, was up. You came on late, was up after 2 and you wasn't. I was sleeping, mommy. I was sleeping. But yeah, crazy rejection right here. So we're back in the range. Back in the range. Crazy stuff. Yeah, maybe could have waited for that close. Last 10. Yeah. Lost like probably like 0.35. 0.3, 0.35. Let's see. like 0.3 high. 30 minutes late, boss. Yeah, 30 minutes late. Gold did me dirty. Gold did me dirty too, bro. Gold did me dirty too. Needed this kind of to close above this level. So now it's like this is momentum for the downside. Like every time that happens, like it's just gonna go down. Every time that happens, it's just gonna go down at this point. Was on sells. Yeah, should have held it. Should have held it. Should have held it. Yeah, went, swept all of this, and now it's coming down. Now it's coming down. So let's see. Yeah, just kind of needed to close. SL was about the fair value gap. Yo, bro. Nerdware, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Yeah, this is coming down hard right now. Went up, got all that momentum. Now it's coming down, looking like a continuation pattern on the downside. But let's see, it's tough though. You got wick here, wick here. Like it's a mess. Everything is a mess. It's messy price action, messy structure at least. Messy structure right here. AD CAD is pushing. GN, NZD Swiss, AD CAD. Yeah. At this point, it's just pushing right now. I was like, this candle need to close. This candle need to close. I was like, this candle need to close. Because if this candle don't close, once this comes back, flip, that is it. That is it. That's so you know, like it's not valid on the buy side if it don't close. If it closes, it would be a whole different story. Because that would be, you know, the next candle and like make a bottom, we can continue going up. So right now we are back in this. We're back in this range. I don't know how I feel about sells because there's a lot of mess down here. You got this level here, you got support here, you got support here. It's not looking too good on the sell side. I was hoping that the buys, you know, we have clean range on the buy side, so I must stick around and wait for another buy opportunity. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not looking for a sells right now. It's too messy on the sell side. Way too messy. Got rejection here, rejection, rejection, rejection. So we gotta see what happened. USD JPY. Bro, let's look at it. Okay, I'm looking at a second. H1 is making higher. Yeah. Yep. That's what it is. Came down. You see, you got caught up in that resistance. And now it's gonna continue pushing through. Nothing is wrong with it continue pushing it through, but like, you know, you got some mess over here. It's a mess over here. So it did that sweep, you know, it did that sweep. Now it's gonna continue coming down. So let's see what happened. Looking at the H1, maybe the next H1 candle can, you know, fill this wick. But that would just be based off, you know, volume for it to start filling this area right here, because over here is a mess. USD JPY. Okay, let's see. See USD JPY. But USD price just been going up. It's just been going up. I don't even see a proper level. The daily is looking like it's like it's just looking like it's gonna break this level right here for a continuation. So maybe you could get buys up until maybe this level here. Maybe we could get buys until this level right here. But at the same time, like get a push, pull back. Yeah, you could get a nice continuation here, bro. You just gotta make sure that it's not pulling back based on this bear candle. You need to break this level, bro. You need to break this candle for buy opportunities. Sells is like I don't see sells right here, just buys. Just buys. Yeah, so let's see. I must set a nice level right here. Just in case price decides to, close with a candle above this level again, then I give it a second chance. But as of now, like, yeah, now looking at sells on gold right now. Thanks for no problem, bro. All right, let's see. Yeah, nothing changed on gold. Basically, it's still in the same spot until it can break this support. Right now it's just ranging, just doing its thing. So I'm gonna be looking to give gold a second chance. Well, buys maybe later. Right now, like sells are tough. AD CAD. AD CAD is looking good, bro. AD CAD is looking good. It just needs to break. It needs to just break and be over with. Just needs to break right there. Oh, look at AN. And about to break this level right here. NCK looking good for a sell as well. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you're in AUD CAD, you don't want to expose to NZD CAD as well. Because you know you got CAD and CAD, so you want to be careful. NZD CAD looking like it needs some more time though. Because it's just ranging right now. It's ranging. NZD CAD is ranging. This was a nice impulse on AN. You know, price came down, had resistance here. Price came down, made resistance. Nice impulse right here. Maybe if you can get a nice pullback on AN, potentially try to like break this level right here. But I feel like it still needs a little pullback on the smaller time frame. Let's see. Because if you get in here, you'll be getting in on the low. You know, so you need like something up here. Continue pushing down. Let's see. G, and this is a good setup right here. All right, Goldie. Let's see what's going on with Goldie. Yeah, today look like gonna be tough on gold. Look like gonna be a tough day on gold. Today look like gonna be tough on gold. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what good old TikTok is happening, bro. I'm like, TikTok is at this point. TikTok is like, let's do the disclaimer real quick. All right, so this live stream is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only. No financial advice, no investment recommendations, and no promotions of any. So let's see what happened on TikTok today, bro. It's a Friday. Maybe the AI, maybe this AI will chill. What do you see on GU? Let's see GU. Let's see good old GU. Bro, why does it keep doing this? Bro, it's not even, it's just saying disconnected. Why? Maybe I need to put it over here. Couldn't connect, try connecting now. Yeah, I'm not going to do this with TikTok today. Let's end this. I have no idea why it's doing that. Crazy stuff on TikTok. Why is it doing that? Saying I'm disconnected. Anyways, let's see. Let's end this right here. GU. GU is looking good, but I feel like, you know, it's coming down to support right now. We didn't catch ourselves up here, like we're at support. We're at support. We're at support on GU right now. So I would want to see, like, you know, another pullback, then maybe we can break that support. Some pullback, some resistance, something. But around it's oversold too, like you're at support. So you know you gotta get some pullback. Something. On the 30-minute right now, like, you know, it did a pullback right here. So let's see, maybe this will push it through. Maybe this will push it through because it did a pullback on the 30-minute. Just gotta be careful of support right here. I would wait for structure, you know, a pullback here, somewhere over here or so, like to fill this range. But right now, like right here is tough. EU is probably going down. EU is going. Same thing on EU. We're at a tough spot. We need volume. Need volume on EU and GU. If you're gonna break like support over here, you need volume. All right, so gold rejected that level again. Yeah, today is gonna be a tough day on gold. Today's gonna be a tough day on gold, bro. I'm kicking out early buyers. It's kicking out early buyers. And which one? Gold. Or which one you talk? EU, bro. All right, let's see. Which one kicking out early buyers? I think EU and gold are having the same manipulation. Yeah, right now gold is just ranging. Was hoping that at London Open this would break and then close up here, but it came back. Just crazy. This week, no open did that. Like this week, all the opens, like as soon as it opened and pushed, like that's where the session went. But you know, gotta pay attention to this right here. Gotta pay attention to this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait to see if it can break above and close with a body on the 30-minute. If it can break above and close with a body, then you know I'll give that a second chance. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, a cat is like not wanting to break this level, so you gotta wait. Gold, yeah, just gotta see what happens. About a new H4 candle in 30 minutes. But a new H4 candle in 30 minutes. So let's see. Is it being tough on goalie because it's a Friday? I mean, some days just gonna be tough as it relates to structure. Not every day you're gonna have clean range to the upside, to the downside, price action. But Friday overall is usually messy. You know, Friday you gotta be careful. Friday you gotta make sure you do like half the risk. Friday you gotta do like half the risk. Well, let's see. Let's see what happened on over here. Have to wait on that close. News coming as well. Let's check news. Let's check news. Got CAD news at 8:30. Yeah, for AUD CAD. Got CAD news at 8:30. So you gotta be careful. Like if this H4 candle close above here, I'll be looking in at CAD over here. Yeah, need that break and close, bro. Need that break and close. Can't do anything without a break and close. You're just leaving everything to volume. Need more confirmation. Need a lot more confirmation, especially in the fact that it's been going down. Need more confirmation. Sometimes you get away when you go in with the trend, but you need that close. You just gotta see. Just gotta see what happened. Today might be an early day on Goldie here. Today's gonna be an early day on Goldie. Let's see. 80 cat range in 30 minutes. How's it, bro? Hey, Ryan, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? 80 cat range in 30 minutes. Yeah, 80 cat just need. I mean, it's still respecting that. Still respecting. Even though it's ranging, it's still respecting. So you just gotta see. Just don't want it to break and close above, like, up in this area. That's not looking good. If it's gonna break and close up here, that's not good, bro. What you taking this morning seems gold feed earlier. Took, bro, attempted on London open buys, and then there was a wick rejection, bro. So I'm just waiting to see a close right here. Give it a second chance. Right here, executed it right here on that break. And this break. Was hoping this candle would close bullish. So that the next candle would like open, make a bottom wick, flip. Start making some structure up here, but it just rejected back in the range. So got out of there, bro. Got out of there. So right now, trying to see if we could give gold a second chance on this buy opportunity here. I'm not looking for sells. I'm locked in on buys. So if no buy opportunities, then just gotta wait until Monday. Really, SLB as it is huge. Yeah, I don't know yet. Gotta wait until to see what happened with the close. But usually, if you're working with a range, let's say it closes like right here. Like you could put an estimate like 20 pip. Like 20 pip. Go 5 minute? Definitely not, bro. I already got one fake out, bro. I already got one fake out here. I want to see a nice solid closure to confirm buys. Definitely not gonna look at because I feel like you go on a 5 minute break, like you're trying to cheat it. But I usually do like if it's breaking and if it's gonna break out from the range and close, then I just do like a 20 pip. Just do a 20 pip SL. Because it's hard to tell right now. It's hard to tell right now, bro. Maybe technically it's the same thing as using one of these candles, but 20 pip just makes it easier. You got a nice range. You got a nice range too. I mean, you got a nice range up here. You got a nice range. Like the opportunity is like endless. Like 50 pip, 60 pip, 100 pip range. You got a nice range for structure up here. But I want to see price close with a body just to have that confirmation. Because then you're gonna get wrecked on the breakout. London Open was an exception, but didn't work out. So just gotta see. What I mean for SL if it go break. Yeah, if it break above, it's hard to tell right now because if the next candle, let's say the next candle open and make a bottom wick like this, then I'll use the bottom wick. If the bottom wick is tiny, I'll just use like 20, like a 20 pip. Just want to see this close right now. Is EU coming back to play for buys? You need like at least a bull candle. Right now it's coming down, bro. Like if you look at the H4, like resistance here, continuation, resistance here. This is looking more of a continuation to the downside. But the only issue is that you got support here, you got support here. So if you're looking for sales, you just gotta be locked in with volume and structure and ignore like these lows, because these stuff are meant to be broken anyways. So if it's gonna go down, you just gotta realize that it should break these levels, but at the same time you need volume over here. So this candle was a good candle for the continuation. Maybe this can do some more, but right now this candle is like struggling. You got 50 more minutes of the next H4 candle, so you just gotta see what happens. NZD CAD is interesting. I mean, NZD USD is looking interesting. Looking really interesting. I'd want to see like, because look at this, like, you know, it did like it was gonna break right here. You're like, okay, it's gonna come down, but then it came back up, you know, and then it did this. So now, like, I'll be interested in sales for it to break this level on the downside. So that's what I'm looking for in NU right now. So I'm gonna prioritize this. I'm gonna prioritize NU. See, new 15-minute candle on gold. Did it close above? Okay, let's see. Let's see what happened right here. I could give gold a second chance here. Actually, I'm gonna wait until the 30 minute. I'm gonna wait until the 30 minute. Because if you wait until the 30 minute, like, there's a lot of range here, so there's no need to rush. You need to make sure, like, it's gonna you need to make sure it's gonna close above here, because a lot can happen in 50 minutes. You don't want a 50-minute candle to close back. I mean, a 30-minute candle to close back in this range. So I'm gonna wait 100% this time to confirm that it's gonna close, because you don't want to make the same mistake twice, you know. So right now, the only thing you can do is look at the 30 minute, 50 minute, see if it's gonna continue pushing. Close above, no, nice bottom wick. So let's see. Hey, Christine, what's up, bro? Christian, Christine, Christian and Christine. Oh, Christian, what's up, bro? Christine, hey, what's up? We got Christine, we got Christian. We got Christine and we got Christian. So this is where this was the initial entry, the first time. So let's see what happened. Let's see if it plays. Let's see if it will play out on the 15-minute. You know, but I just want to make sure, like, it closed above properly on the 30-minute. So if this candle can break this wick right here, then, like, someone was asking about the SL, then I would use this wick, this candle's wick, like 25 pips as the SL, and if it comes back to, let's say, the opening, then I just close half right there. If I was executing on a 50-minute, but I'm gonna wait on a 30-minute. You don't want to get caught up in a fake out twice. So that's the plan right here on the 30-minute. Yeah, we back at it again though. I already took one buy over here. London Open came all the way back into the range. Canada didn't close above, no confirmation. Came down, and now it's coming back up. So let's see. I hope it makes structure up here, because the cells are ugly. Cells are like horrible, you know. So buys are looking better. Are you coming back for buys? Where it's still at the same spot. Still at the same spot. There's not much volume right now on anything. Not much volume. I mean, AN has volume, but that's pretty much it. AN can do a nice little this H4 is about to close below, so that is good. GCAD, bro, GCAD is a fraud. Abadabo. Abadabo. GCAD is a fraud, bro. This was a paper trade that I was looking at. GCAD is a fraud. GCAD is a fraud. Can't do anything on GCAD right now, bro. Already sold off. Like, you got support here. You know, like, can't do anything on GCAD right now. Got rejection, no top wick. Got the next H4 candle opening in 10 minutes. Can't do anything on GCAD, bro. Can't do anything on GCAD, man. If anything, honestly, support on GCAD and then look for buys. What time you sleep to wake up at 3 hours? Bro, last night I slept late, bro. I slept maybe around 11 p.m., bro. It was tough to wake up this morning, bro. Really tough. Around 11 p.m. before I fell asleep. Or 12, bro. 11 or 12. But usually after the stream, like, you know, I just sleep. But I need another sleep, you know, like down in the evening, I need another sleep. Because, you know, when you sleep at nighttime, it's different when you sleep in the daytime. Yeah, but this candle is looking good, though. This candle is looking good. Let's see. This is a better candle. This is looking way more structured compared to the last candle. So we just need more confirmation. Maybe we could get a nice little pullback on a lower time frame, 50-minute. Because this already pushed up. Like, this is the thing too. So even though this is gonna close, well, we got 5 more minutes above the range, it already pushed up like 60 pips. So I'm not gonna put too much pressure on the next candle. Like, just need some support and then a continuation. Playlist, please let me take screenshot. Bro, I thought I already posted the playlist in the chat. I thought I already posted it. I'm gonna send it again. Copies. Yeah, I already posted it right here. Bro, how can I make about my $10? I can't see any reliable trades. First thing first, bro, like, you don't want to have that mindset to try to make it back. That's the first thing, because that's how you're gonna end up. You know, you don't want to structure it like that in your head, bro. Like if you take a L, just imagine like that never happened, because you don't want to carry that energy into the next setup. You just gotta wait on the next setup. Because if you look like, oh, I lost X, how can I make back X? Nah, bro, it could take you the next 2-3 trades before you make back that $10. So you know you don't want to be aggressive with that thing. What will be your SL in that 30 minute? I gotta see how the next candle. I gotta see what the next candle is looking like. But usually like at least 20, you know, around 20, 25. You know, sometime the next candle can like, you know, do something like this. Then I would use that wick. It all depends. It all depends, but usually 2025. 2025 is reasonable. You know, just to give it enough breathing space. You got a nice screen range up here, so let's see. But definitely want this 30 minute to close. I want this 30 minute to close, maybe get like one bearish 15 minute, and then like the continuation if it's gonna go up. Because as what I said, like price already moved like, you know, 60 pips. So I don't wanna like, you know, put too much pressure on the next candle. Maybe wait on a little pullback and then, you know, execute off that. So what I could also do, so if this candle closes bullish up here, I mean, you got 4 minutes. What I could also do is on a retracement, would be like a dynamic entry, like on a retracement, then execute anticipating that it will continue, you know, pushing based out the fact that it closed. So that would give the SL like more structure. Could maybe get a nice SL down here based off that pullback. So that's another option too. That's another option. So let's see. This is a good option whenever price, you know, either push that much. You just wait on a nice pullback and just execute off that. So that's what I might do in this situation. But I want to see what the next candle is looking like first, because the next candle can open and it just like starts pulling all the way back, and then like the buys are like, you know, not looking too good. So I want to wait. I want to wait on that. I want to wait on that. I want to wait on that stuff. EU under 15 minute. Check EU. Yeah, EU is tricky, bro. Like we're at support. You gotta be super careful on EU, bro. You got support right now. Like you gotta be careful. Like I wouldn't be interested in EU. Just like, bro, like this is what I like to see. See this right here? Clean range. That's what I like to see. Clean range. On EU, if you look right here, like this is not clean. You know, I like trading in a clean space. That's why on gold right now, like I'm interested in this clean area up here. So I just want to see what happened right now, but it's looking like it's about to close bullish, so that's good. Market is very slow today. Yeah, today's Friday too, so we gotta be careful over here. Got one more shot on gold. Then I'm gonna see what I can do on the H4. On the H4 for one of these. NCD carry is not looking bad. The next H4 can make a bottom wick flip, break one of this wick right here. Then I'll be looking to go for a nice 1-to-1. I just gotta see. All right, we got a new H4 candle, so gotta be careful. So this is the thing. This is gonna be a new H4 candle pulling back right now. So you gotta make sure it's pulling back properly. If we got this space up here, like honestly, there's no rush for buys. There's no rush for buys. You got clean space up here, there's no rush. Just gotta make sure that the structure is set up here, you know? You don't want to get caught up in a fake out again. You gotta be super careful. A cat sell, any cat buy doesn't. Okay, bro, you're right. We're not going against a cat. But I mean, you gotta accept the reality of price action too. See, bro, a cat open with no top wick, so that is not looking good for the new H4. That is not looking good for the new H4, boss. Just then, you know, it's gonna flip. So let's look at if you're in ACAD, bro, you want to see this open going. You want to see it start going up first. Because look, this is bound to flip. This is bound to flip, boss. Because I don't see no candle without a top or bottom wick on AD cat, so you definitely don't want this to be the bottom wick. Yeah, not looking good on ACAD, bro. NC cat, we gotta hold off on NC cat because we don't want rush shine to get stopped out, bro. But bro, price action, if this flip and break this, bro, you already know. You already know, bro. Just gotta manage risk. This can make a nice bottom wick and flip. You already know, bro. Like, you already know. NU too, like if NU can flip, got a nice little area right here. So I'm gonna keep an eye on NU on both buy side and sell side. But I'm more interested in the buy side. Try to see where volume is going. You gotta try to ride that volume momentum. Because look at GN right now, you see? This is gonna flip. Like whenever the H4 opening the first direction that it starts going, like it's more likely to flip later on. And see this Swiss open going down, so you know you can have a flip. AD cat is sus, bro. AD cat is sus. She Goldie. You gotta wait for that let's see what the H1 is looking like on gold. Yeah, so crazy wick. Crazy wick. Yeah, that's why you gotta make sure you wait properly, bro. Like, see how price is moving, like you can still get resistance. So you just want to make sure, I want to make sure I see clear structure above here, bro. See this push? You gotta make sure wait on clear structure. Because this is still valid, like on the H1 level. at any moment. So you gotta wait on clear structure. Clear structure. Just some little man. Our new H4. Okay. Will NZD, will AN continue going down? I like AN. I like how AN is looking. Like how AN is looking. Maybe if AN can make a nice top wick, flip, break that low. Get a nice 1-to-1. Target this wick. And that would be a great idea. Need that top wick or a proper top wick. So I'm gonna wait on A. I'm waiting on AN to make a proper top wick. And wait on AN to make another top wick. Proper top wick. And then flip. And then execute right here. So let's see what happened. He can't sell it. He kind of. Okay, bro. We're gonna. All right, bro. We're gonna try to see. We're trying to make sure, but bro, this open with no top wick. That is not good. That is not good, bro. You need to open with no bottom wick so you can flip. Because if this flip is gonna leave that wick behind, bro, and then it can, come back up here. Unless this is gonna be the first H4 with no top wick in a long time, bro. Yeah, I wouldn't bet on that though. Sometimes it happens, bro. I'm looking where. When was the last time the H4 had no top wick? Let's see. Sometime it happened, bro. Like I can't see. See, we are at the end of March, at the beginning of March. When was the last time you had no top wick? Bro, like you can't see it anywhere. The last time, like look, right here at 5 a.m. on February 25th. GU going back up. Oh boy, bro, you funny. This is not looking good. GU going back up. Where? GU going back up? I mean, it's still looking like a pullback. Still looking like a pullback, but look at this bull candle though, so you gotta be careful right here. Market structure is tough. It's tough market structure. Swing, tough market structure. So that's why I'm just looking for, this is what I'm looking for right now. Market structure is so tough. What I'm looking for right now is just like volume, just volume. Like, if this candle can flip, can make a top wick flip, break the low, then with volume, like a target, like a nice 1-to-1. But the holding thing is tough right now. Holding it is tough. Holding these setups right now, super tough. Super tough. Super, super tough. super tough holding this thing over here. Yeah, maybe it can make a nice top we can then come back down, bro. For 80 CAD. Bro, one thing, Roshan, bro, the setups, bro, they've been giving a fight all week. Swing setup been tough, bro. Swing been tough this week. Which one was it? I remember you were in another one. Was it something with JPY? AJ. AJ went smooth though. AJ went smooth. You got sells on AJ all the way. You got sells on AJ all the way. So let's see. Maybe can make a nice stop. We can then continue coming down. Let's see. Because it's still valid, bro. Like if you look at ACAD, it's just ranging, but it's still in the same you know, you could see it's ranging in a downtrend. So maybe it can do this down here too. So let's see. But usually when it does stuff like this, bro, it's gonna keep doing this. It's gonna keep doing that, bro, and then like, you know. So you just gotta see what happened. AN, bro, if AN can flip, I'm in on AN if it can flip. Break this low, fill this wick, volume, all that good stuff, bro. Just need a nice flip. Please do that. Please do that and go down. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, bro. See, bro, gold is like, see that? You have to wait, bro. Even with the 30-minute close, like, it's just horrible price action. Crazy stuff today on Friday. Gotta be super careful, bro. Gotta be super careful. Super careful on gold. Gotta be super careful on gold, bro. Bro, everything right now is like not even moving. Today gonna be an early Friday. No movement. Oh, maybe we can get a cheeky flip on Swiss JPY. Cheeky flip. USD CAD looking good to sell on H4. Bro, it's super cold in here, bro. It's 37 degrees outside right now. And inside is just freezing. USD CAD. I don't see no volume though, bro. That's the thing. H4 been ranging. I don't see no volume on nothing. It's either it's ranging or already at support or at some like on EU, bro. Like I want to see price above here if anything. Below it's like, you know, whatever. But I don't know. It's just tough price action, bro. NU, I want to see NU like flip, start breaking these levels up here. Maybe could use this wick as the SL and just try to see if you can ride volume. Apart from that, like just a lot of waiting over here. Everything's ranging or at support or resistance, like, you know, just gotta see. And yeah, and might do a cheeky buy here, a cheeky sell here on the and let's see. For that continuation, basically like it's like look at what it's been doing. Like every time it comes down, like resistance, you got that continuation, resistance, continuation. So right here, you know, resistance, continuation, just broke this level. So let's see. I think it should respect, you know, this area to at least fill this wick. So I'm gonna look for a cheeky sell on an AN. Pull this up in here.
The loneliness came back, worse than I remembered. I don't get it.
Let's see, how do you copy this thing? Okay, so let's see. Euro USD. Just pull up and bro, what is this? Spread crazy stuff. Crazy stuff, bro. Crazy stuff over here. AN. say 9 ticks. 9.7, 9.77. That is crazy. Point 77. $9.77. All right, so let's see. H4. Good night, bro. Hey, what's up, bro? My trade is so bad, bro. I wish we still had trade locker with funding pips. Yeah, bro. Like I gotta, bro. I don't, bro. I don't even, bro. I don't even want to talk about it, bro. I don't even want to talk about it, bro. Honestly, I've been going back on the old platform just to calculate even the position size, bro. Cause I don't even see a calculator over here. I haven't even gotten time to really look into match trader, bro. Bro, I'm still even getting used to trade locker, much less match locker. I don't even think it's bro. I gotta spend some more time on match locker. I want to get in here, but I'm waiting on a nice little I'm waiting for it to come back a little bit more. Cause the spread is crazy. That's your setup, yeah, right here, just like that. It's basically this. Basically this. You know, the next candle open, make a top wick flip, break the low. Next candle open, make a top wick flick, respecting the previous candle. So that's the whole bias. So this is going to be a nice little swing target this week. A nice 1-to-1. So let's see. Maybe I can do execution right here. If it comes back, let's see where I'm gonna manage this. So right now, this whole thing is like 8.9 pips. So if it comes back, let's say 4.5, then I'll close like half, 4.7, 4.5. And I'll close half. The green part is where you think it's going to go sell. Yeah, this would be the target here. So yeah. Came down, blah, blah, blah. And you, ACAT. Yeah, bro, ACAT is not looking, it's flipping to the upside. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead with an over here. I'll just go for this 9.77. Crazy, look at that spread, bro. Crazy stuff, bro. Look at that spread. Crazy. Much trader, bro. Like, bro, my trader is so different. It doesn't even show you the doesn't even show you the thing, bro. Crazy stuff over here. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff, bro. Horrible platform, bro. Horrible platform. I was like, bro, like, I signed up for Trade Locker because I was gonna ask them if I could do a refund and just use a whole different. They're like, nah, they can't do the refund. So I'm like, all right, bro. I guess this is what it is. Crazy spread right here, 0.64. Crazy. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Do a nice little swing on AN right here. It doesn't even show like the price and stuff. Maybe there's a setting for it. I don't know. Yeah, there's up, bro. Yeah, bro. It's like it's plain. Like there's nothing, bro. Can't change any settings. Like, I mean, look at the spread on this thing. Crazy. All right, let's see. So let's set an alert. I'm gonna set an alert for this level. I'm gonna close half right there. Bro, Russian ACAT is looking tough, bro. Looking tough. ACAT is looking like it's gonna be a tough day on ACAT. What lot size do you use in relation to your account size? The lot size, it all depends on the percentage. So like right now, on this was like 0.5. Ended up being 0.6 because of the spread, but yeah, the lot size is just 9.77. It all depends on the currency too. This is crazy lot size right here. Crazy lot size for this spear. So each instrument, like each symbol is different. So you just gotta see. You just gotta use the calculator. Whatever lot size they give you, like, you know, you just gotta use it. But yeah, this was the calculation here, like 0.50, 90 pips, 90 ticks. So, you know, that's what it's based off. I might close soon. Still, bro, honestly, bro, like, yeah, this is looking like it's about to close with a body above this level in 1 minute. And that's not good, bro. That's not good. But let's see. Maybe it reject, bro. You never know. It's still ranging. Yeah, my trader is not good, bro. Can't do. It doesn't have a risk calculator. Like it's just like it's like a weird version of trading view. Super weird, bro. Can't figure. Maybe I gotta try to figure it out. I mean, it gives like an estimate right here, but like you gotta just keep changing it until it shows you the percentage, which is weird. But that's pretty much it. Like it's too slow, bro. Like nobody got time to be doing. You gotta put a pending order and then manually adjust the lot size. Why I can't just switch it to percentage? I should be able to just put like 0.5% and it automatically like provide the lot size, you know? Bro, this was $90 in spread on this thing. That is crazy. Crazy lot size. Maybe I gotta go for 1 to 2 on this one, bro. Crazy lot size, bro. $90 in spread. The initial risk is 500 on this thing. If you're gonna go for 500, bro, you're going $100 spread, like crazy.
Слепо такни по дороге свистят. Каждый прожитый миг был уверен и сразами. И выдыхая, если бы я знал, то я вряд ли промолчал. И я зависим, ведь я broke. Как градус повышается на грани с кипятком. Грань это не все, грань это не все. Я хотел остаться, но ты хочешь, чтобы я ушел. Нарисуй мое небо, проложи мою землю, развяжи мои руки, baby. Дай мне стать твоей тенью, что ведет тебя слепо через весь этот сложный день. Нарисуй мое небо, проложи мою землю, развяжи мои руки, baby. Дай мне стать твоей тенью, что ведет тебя слепо через весь этот сложный день. Если бы я мог доверять себе самому, я бы доверил тебе все, ведь ты и есть мой тайный ключ. Мое сердце Дэвид Джонс, тебе осталось лишь проткнуть, дай мне время. Я найду свой долгий путь, и ты все время. До свидания, я занят, можешь даже не звонить, можешь даже меня сплавить. Я ведь тот еще ублюдок, занят грязными делами. Во мне светится дерьмо, что постоянно меня тянет. Нарисуй мое небо, проложи мою землю, развяжи мои руки.
Yeah, gold is like you gotta click the plus button next to slot and okay, let's see. Click the plus button next to stop loss and take profit. Oh, okay. Bro, that is crazy. I mean, at least it's there. But it's not floating like Trade Locker, you know? So you gotta put the price, and then it's still not even good, bro. Still not good because it's not floating. Wait, let's see. Maybe it is. Let's see. Price is currently at.
Иногда мне кажется, я медленно
Let's see.
таю в этих сомнениях, что в голове
Okay, so it kind of is floating. Let's see.
вроде бы славно, но каждый день
Yeah, don't get me. It still sucks. Yeah, it's weird, bro. Like, I don't know why they can't like make it more simple.
Мама говорила, будет счастье. Мама не заметила запястье, но мама будет меня дома ждать.
They need to put the percentage first, bro.
Время пролетает снова страстно.
No one care about the price.
Собираются в одну историю, а я смотрю. Мама говорила, будет счастье. Мама не заметила запястье, но мама будет меня дома ждать.
No one care about the price, bro. It's still complicated, honestly. Bro, UJ Milton. Yeah, so this is gonna be a nice little swing over here. So let's see, UJ. UJ Milton. Bro, what time frame you on? What time frame you on, bro? Ashraf, I don't see any melt. I see this flipping later because that top wick is too small. But that's good on the buy side though. Still ranging too, bro. Morning, Brad. Hey, Phillips, what's up, bro? Gold, bro. Bro, gold is doing a continuation right now and ranging, so you gotta see. Gotta see. Nothing, bro. Today, I tell you, bro, today gonna be a slow, tough day on gold. Still in this range. It's been 2 hours. It's been 2 hours in this range, bro. It didn't break and close. Got fake out. Didn't break and close. So each time, like, you know, it doesn't break and close, you gotta move the level and then see if the next candle gonna break and close above. You know, tough price action. Because it did it here, then it did it here, then it did it here. So where is it actually trying to break and close? So at this point, I want to see proper structure above. On the downside, like on sell side, like, you know, it's a tough spot down here, bro. It's just volume alone can like make a difference here. If you look at it, bro, like, you know, we got this support here, like, you know, you got support over here, like, you know, like support here, you got, you know, it's just a mess. So those are looking kind of messy. Maybe right here you could do a nice little wick fill. If this candle can, like, you know, close right here at the body, then it could get a nice wick fill, maybe like, you know, 50 pip wick fill. But apart from that, like, everything else is nice. So let's see. Yeah, I'm good, bro. We're chilling. It's just cold, bro. Like, it's super cold outside. Like 35 degree, bro. Inside it's freezing. Inside it's freezing, bro. And I don't like the cold. Bro, I don't like the cold at all, bro. I don't like the cold at all, bro. I'd rather be hot and miserable than be cold. Oh, Roshan, look at that, bro. Maybe this time Alfred came for 2 minutes and left. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that, bro. I saw that. I saw that, bro. Let's see. We got AN. We got, bro. It's crazy. Like, crazy, bro. Like, you know, you got everything fighting against you. Bro, let's see. This is where I initially wanted to enter on that break. This was my deal right here. You see how far price is? And I'm not even like, let's see where I got in on the entry. So look at this. This is where I wanted to, you know, enter, right? So let's see. Bro, I'm not even, it's still current price. Open price. 109225. 109225. So let's make that just 109225. 109225. 109225. Bro, this is where I got in at. This is where they gave me, bro, with the spread. Crazy stuff. So now I got a target. You know, I can't get that wick. I gotta wait on maybe the next H4. It's gonna be a long swing. Gotta maybe get caught up in resistance. So just gotta see what happened over here. But if this can get as far as, because this gonna be based off volume, bro. If this can get as far as like 1 to 5 right here, then I'm gonna start managing risk. So where I would close half, that's where I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move this risk to where I was gonna close half. Because if it's gonna come down here, bro, I don't want to see, you know, pull back up here. Basically, I wanted to do the same thing here. I wanted to respect previous candle. Previous, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so this is like you know, NU. Yeah, it didn't flip. It didn't flip, so I'll cross that off. NZD Swiss. That needs to flip. Maybe it won't flip. 80 CAD. Okay, 80 CAD having some progress now. Shaw, what's up, boss? What's up, boss? What's up, boss, man? What's good, boss? Finally, well, you can't celebrate too early, bro. Not until it break. Let's see. Okay, it's looking good right now. Not until it break properly, you know. What time is it? Got a new 15-minute candle in 1 minute. So let's see if the 15 will close below. If the 15 can close below, bro, like that is good. You know, so this is more a sign to the just structure, you know. So let's see. Let's see what can happen over here. Yeah, so right here, if it comes back up here, I'm gonna just close half and see what happened. But if it's gonna go down, even if it, you know, pulls back, it shouldn't come back up here with a body close. So I'm gonna hold firm on this SL. I'm gonna hold firm on that. So this would be an execution based off the H4. Support, push, top wick, flip. Might get a candle like this. If you're gonna come down here, might get a candle like this for another support. You know, if the volume and momentum shift, then I'm gonna adjust the stop loss to here. So let's see. Shaw, what's up, boss? You got what you got on gold today, bro? You got sells on gold? Bro, today we got fake out, bro. Got fake out, bro. I haven't gotten faked out in a while, but we got faked out. That's why I don't do breakout, bro. So next London Open, you already know that candle has to close. Finally, yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, bro. You want to see that close below the support though. Can't celebrate too early, bro. Look, it's in the same spot. Bro, A-Cat gonna drive you crazy today, Russian. AD-Cat gonna drive you crazy today, bro. I mean, ain't my good friend. Bro, you funny, bro. You funny, bro. See what's going on in EU. Maybe EU can, you know, push. Maybe EU can push past this level right here. It's looking like it can. It's got nice structure. It got resistance here. Got resistance here, resistance. So maybe it could get a nice push to the downside. Let's see GU. GU. Yeah, no volume on GU. No volume on GU, bro. Let's check UJ again. It's not melting anymore, bro. It's not melting anymore, bro. Please shut US 30. All right, let's see US 30 again. See US 30, bro. It's in the same spot, bro. Same thing on US 30. It's just making highs and lows. You're looking for buys. If you're looking for buys, bro, like just wait on that bull candle. You need to wait on this. Wait on that confirmation candle at least, bro. Like something like this. You know, wait on something like this, bro. Because right now it's just coming down, so you gotta wait. If you're looking for buys, you gotta wait. If you're looking for sells, let's see on the sell side. See what can happen on the sell side. On the sell side, I would wait for it to. You got a level here, but you want to see some structure below if you're gonna look for sells. But it's tricky, bro. It's hard with price action. You got wicks everywhere. Like, you know, on the daily, it's like ranging ish. It's just horrible, bro. This would need like a good swing. This needs a good swing. On the lower time frame, you might be able to get something, but you know, you don't want to trust the lower time frame. Because look at this lower time frame. 1 minute you're going up, the next minute you're going down, the next minute you're ranging. Like, lower time frame is a mess. You know, I don't trade indices, so it's hard to tell. I just have to look at the higher time frame. If you change the lower time frame, like it's even tougher on the lower time frame. It looks tough. Looks super tough. I think we don't have volume before. I think we don't have volume before in open New York. Yeah, we had some volume coming in like 30 minutes ago and some stuff, but everything is sleeping. What is gold doing? Still in that range? Yeah, it's just one of them Fridays, bro, where nothing happened. Horrible price action today, and
Сломанное пианино. Если бы раненый был в твоей комнате, я наблюдал, как падает пыль в твоей комнате, где я нашел каждый
horrible price action, man. Horrible price action.
кричи. И я приму все это как грех, без лишних слов, здесь не все жертвуют. Мой мир разрушен на осколки, здесь соответствуют. Улицы тают, но я влез в дела сердечные. Мне мои раны словно нашептали, что нет, это боль, нет, это роль, езжай. Я ни при чем, ты ни при чем, прощай. Временами знал, что так сложно. Обжегся, будто об солнце. Граммы и слова не те. Я хочу вдаль лишь улететь. Слыхал, что там неплохо, хотя где мне хорошо теперь. Мельница моих дней, где ключ закрыт, а дверь не обойдется. Все с тобой не обойдется без потерь. И я гонюсь за этой тенью. Не знаю, где я это выдумал. О боже, где мои манеры? Я просто подошел и взял правду слова, ритм сердца, вечное слово, да. Мы туземцы в самом родном месте. Я давно забыл про свое детство. Мама.
5:55 a.m. your time, bro. Need sleep if you aren't full time. Big range means big move coming. We just need patience. Yeah, I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for buys, bro. 5:55 a.m. Yeah, 5:55, bro. 5:55, bro. I usually sleep after the stream, though. Usually get a nice sleep after the stream. But I've been tired, bro. Yesterday, bro, like I didn't even get to go to the gym, run. I just slept. Like just slept, bro. Like when you don't get that sleep in the in the in the night, bro, like it's different, bro. Cause like in the daytime, you know, you got people calling you, like you don't get that full sleep, bro. So even if you sleep like sleeping 8 hours straight is different from like waking up every 2 hours, you know, for 4 hours, bro. It's like different. You know, you gotta make sure you get like deep sleep, REM sleep, all them stages, bro, locked in. You know, in the daytime, bro, you got random numbers calling you, bro. Like you got spammers, you know, you got family calling you, friends calling you, and like cars beeping, like the sunlight, bro. Like you know, it's just different. Bro, I'd be tired, bro, cause we be locked in for 1 month straight every day, bro. We be locked in. Be locked in, bro. Let's see. 80 CAD. Bro, you celebrate too early, bro. You celebrate too early. Can't celebrate in a range, bro. Can't celebrate in a range. Gotta make sure you break that range with some volume. Gotta make sure you break that range, bro. Make sure you break that range, bro. What? What, Max? What you want, boy? What you want, boy? What you want, boy? What? Sleep is more important than eating. Yeah, I gotta get sleep, bro. Can't function without sleep. Gotta get sleep. Can't do anything without sleep, bro. You can't do anything without sleep. Your body can't function without sleep. Okay, so EU is looking good. He's looking good. Maybe a nice 1-to-1 with volume. Target this range. Price came down, made resistance, pull back, continuation right here with volume. Continuation with volume. Let's see. Let's put this next to AN. Yes, very important is sleep. If you don't have good sleep, don't have patience. Tired, right? Yeah. When you don't have sleep, yeah, it's crazy because you need both. You just need to make sure you eat and make sure you sleep. Because without both, you're miserable and your body don't function. Your body don't function how it's supposed to. I think we have an opportunity here in EU to fill this range. I think we do. Based off the H4. This will be based off the H4. Shouldn't break the previous candles high if it's gonna continue going down. So I think that would be a good idea. That's a good idea. I think this and AN should be a good bet for the rest of the session. So I'm gonna put them together down here. Because nothing else really makes sense right now. And I want to do the execution based off the H4. See, AE CAD is going back up. NZD CAD, NJ, AHA. EU. Because what could happen is with EU, what I could do if this can break and continue pushing down. This is what 18 pips. So if price comes back, basically closing above the opening of this candle, then could close half right here. So that's what can happen on EU. So let's see. If AN is going down, AC will go down as well. Looks similar price action at the moment. Okay. So let's hope that happens. AC. Yeah, so let's see. But ACAT is missing, bro. ACAT is totally, bro. Like if this don't break below, this is not good. This is not good on the ACAT, bro. And it came here with wick, right? This level, so you never know, bro. Still random at this point. So maybe if we can break this level. Can break this level, then sure. I have patience waiting for my girlfriend before she find good clothes, but don't have patience in trading. You got a lot of patience, bro. That mean you got more patience than what you think you have. Yeah, bro. Some days you just gotta chill. Like some days just chill day, bro. Like it's just chill day. It's a Friday, like it's chill day, bro. Can't rush into another LCs. Gold is still ranging. USD CAD. Gold is still ranging. USD CAD no volume. So it's one of them days where like price is just chilling. Price pushed up noise from like a full bear candle, like that is just horrible. Horrible stuff here. And this is just because on the H4, like it's just a mess. The H4 is a mess, everything else gonna be a mess. Please send your playlist. I did send it in the let me send it again. But every morning. Max. Every morning Max has his little anger issues. What? What, boy? Every morning you do the same thing, bro. Every morning you do the same thing. Every morning you do the same thing. EN, okay.
Я пишу самой себе, чтобы сказать, что я в порядке, чтобы соврать самой себе. Мне бы выжить до 30-ки, я успела повзрослеть. Обещают, но на деле один хочет поиметь на бабло, другой в постели. Априори только треть тех людей, кто в тебя
You know
верит.
song Ganda Gana? Nah, bro, what is that? Ganda Ganda.
Чувство это мое бремя, жаль, что я тогда пришла, ведь ты юзал мое время. В графике у тебя секс, руки, плечи, губы, шеи. Я в обнимку со Стефаном, welcome на мои качели. Что осталось той весны в твоем директе модели? Извини, что
Ganda
не
Gana.
была очередь в постели. Я не прощу,
Ganda Gana. Ganda Gana.
я не
Georgia son, very proper in Europe.
на светофоре я зависну у руля.
Ganda
Я хочу
Gana.
забыть тебя. Я не прощу, хоть ты и сам начать с нуля. Еще секунды, и я удалю тебя, просто удалю тебя. Обещание и
Like that's the name of the
клятвы
song,
разбили
Ganda
всерьез.
Gana.
Мне тебя было не надо, но ты сам себя принес. В комнате очередная фильм, такси, букет и роз. Но умеешь ли любить, задай себе этот вопрос. Я давно спокойно сплю и не жалею.
Bro, thoughts on Bitcoin?
Может быть, я выросла, но ты тут точно не
Bitcoin, let's see
при чём.
Bitcoin, bro.
Ты прав, но я
Did anything
в
change on
истерике
Bitcoin?
катаюсь день за днём. Мы по радио
Bro,
твой
Bitcoin is a
голос, будто
mess,
сам меня
bro.
нашёл.
Honestly,
Она тоже, как и я, ищет поток
bro, I
твоей
don't know how
вести.
people even
Выезжает
trade
по
or hold this at the
знакомым, ты
moment.
у неё везде. Если бы
Bitcoin
тогда
is a
могла, я
mess, bro.
заблудилась бы в Москве, чтобы больше не писать тупые песни о тебе. После первого дебюта не хотела жить. Я
I don't know what to do
просила
with
дать
Bitcoin.
минуту и
Crazy price
пока
action.
говоришь,
The
что
price
ты
action makes no
хочешь
sense,
меня.
bro.
Я упустила нить, понимая лишь, что не смогу тебя сейчас простить. Я не
Relax.
прощу, я пью до дна.
Price action makes no sense on Bitcoin, bro. Honestly.
На светофоре я зависну у руля. Я хочу забыть тебя.
Every time you think it's gonna go up, it's like
Хоть ты и сам
crazy pullback.
начать с нуля. Еще секунды, и я удалю
Bro,
тебя.
Bitcoin, you just gotta
Просто
go. You
удалю
just gotta
себя.
decide, okay, you're gonna hold or what? Like, this is a mess. This is a mess, bro. This is a mess right here. Bro, this is Ganda Gana. What is this? Ganda Gana. This is Ganda Gana right here. Bro, this is... Ganda Gana. Sound like they're about to go to war. Bro, you guys don't... Bro, what language you guys speak? What language is this? This is Russian song. Know what you listen. Ganda Gana? Yeah, the previous song was Russian song. It was a Russian song. Georgian language. Ganda Gana. Ah. Bro, I never heard anything like this before. So like, you know, like something that would be in Vikings. So like something that would be in Vikings, bro. Nasdaq and S&P 500 gonna hit. Sound like something, yeah. Sound like something that would be in like, you know, when they used to like go on ships and then they like raid villages and stuff. Like they would go back to the village and this is what they would play and they drink wine and like they celebrate. Ganda Gana is another version. It's good. Ganda Gana. Too many movies, bro. Too many movies. Too many movies. Yeah, Ghana is crazy, bro. Crazy stuff on Ghana. S&P 500. Nasdaq and S&P 500 gonna hit previous highs. All right, let's see. But why does this have so many, like, what is this gap? Is that always a gap? What is this gap about? Gap everywhere. Gap everywhere, bro. What does this gap mean? At 9:30, oh, 9:30 and 3:30. Oh, NYSE. 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 So at 9:30 it opened and it closed at 3:30. So this is the only movement you get within the day. This is everything you get within a day. This is all you get. So this is like an 8 hour kind of thing. Morning, bro. How is the day? And it looks so far. Hey, what's up, Alan? What's up, bro? Today, bro, no luck, bro. Took one entry here. Got fake out on London Open. Got fake out on London Open buys. You know, then it came back. It's been ranging. Came up. Thought it was gonna close. Start making structure up above. Came back in the range again. I know it's just been ranging. Took AN over here, so just holding AN right now. Just holding AN. Took this off the H4, so you know we're gonna see what happens for the rest of the day. You didn't break that low. Yeah, today has been one of them days. One of them days. AD CAD chilling, GA. It is nothing happening, bro. TikTok ban again. No, the TikTok is not banned, but like, bro, whenever I open the TikTok studio, it keeps saying disconnected. So I'm gonna have to uninstall it. I think Monday I'm gonna go on TikTok. Today, bro, like there's nothing happening. So Monday we can start fresh. It's a fresh week, you know. Fresh week, fresh everything, bro. Maybe we can get some volume, some good price action in EU, GU. Like everything, the major like peers is just trash. Everything is trash, bro. USD CAD ranging. Let's check EJ. EJ is going up, making its, you know, ranging and doing its thing. TikTok is head, bro. Is it? Yeah. TikTok is tough, bro. TikTok is tough. I mean, a lot of people on here, bro, from TikTok, but I gotta fix it, you know? Gotta fix it. Gotta fix it. Try to see maybe I could turn the chat off completely. Just to test things. I'm still testing TikTok to see why it's doing the stuff that it's doing. Buy coming if 30 minute candle close bullish. On gold, I mean it has to close above this resistance and like do something convincing. Then maybe wait on support. But right now, like you don't want to get caught in this thing. It's a trap right now, you know. Anytime the candles are so big too, like that makes it even worse. If it's gonna range, you need to do like this candle size. something that makes sense. We got huge candles, huge range, like it's just messy. Messy stuff here. Can't do anything with this. It's a Friday too, so gotta be super patient. I'm just trying to see what happened here and these other setups. I was trying to see if I can hold two positions until like, you know, the session will be over. I'm gonna hold the AN and I'm trying to find something else that I can hold. Trying to find something else I can hold here. And you yeah, it's just everything is just a mess. Everything is a mess. EU didn't flip. Yeah, EU's tough. E is tough right here. Tough spot on EU. ACAD is just ranging. GA might be coming up with a nice continuation though, but it's not now. Maybe later. If Ukraine war and gold price down, I don't know. I don't know. Like the war has been happening for some time now, so we just gotta see. Maybe. GJ goodbye. Let's see. Where's GJ? I don't remember seeing anything on GJ. GJ, okay. Bro, look at this 1 hour, bro. Like, see what I'm saying? This is not good price action, bro. This is not good price action. Slight ranging like gold. It's ranging, bro. You don't want to execute in a range. You want to do execute on this. You know, price came down, made resistance. Came down, made resistance, made resistance. You know, it's best to wait on that market rather than doing this thing. So that's why, like, even AN, I was like, okay, came down, made resistance, came down. So there's a pattern. So you got to just work with what you have. You know, AN doing a nice little pullback right now. So let's see. Let's see. Even 80 CAD is still, you can see some pattern. It's just ranging right now. Gotta break that range. Honestly, at this point, Roshan, if it break this range, like it's gonna make a new, like, you know, a new little low somewhere over here. So you can keep that in mind. Got a nice alert here, so I can manage risk. We close with a body up here, so you just gotta see. Lucas, big up, Brady. Yo, big up, Lucas. Big up, bro. Big up, bro. But GA does have these GA does have a pattern. It's just, you know, you got to be careful right here, you know, because this is a crazy rejection. It's just not good price action, bro. Like some days, it's just, look at the Swiss, look at the H4, look at this. Can't do anything with this. Crazy. Can't do anything with that. Let's catch JPY. Catch JPY is like, let's see. Catch JPY is not looking bad as it relates to price action. Pushed up, made support, pushed up. So maybe you can make some support to continue pushing up. So let's set the alert up here. So let's focus on the trendy markets. So this one's trending. JPY is trending too. We just need to break, bro. You just need to break. You need to break that level. This was a nice paper trade. You know, the support, next candle open, break the previous. This was a crazy week, but still going up. So this is trending to USD JPY. So basically the JPY there, USD CAD is trash. It's just going sideways. EG, trash. Actually, it's not looking too bad. It's just indecisive. Because this could easily be resistance and then a nice continuation. Yeah, EG is not looking bad actually. Let's see EG. We can break. Use the current candle as target a nice 1 to 2, 1 to 1. Start managing risk. At 0.5, we could start managing risk or 1 to 1. Yeah, so this is not looking bad. This might be a good little setup here. Actually, let's see EU. Yeah. If we can break this level, we got nice clean range. Nice clean range to the downside. Came back up, retest, change a character, breakout. Yeah, EG is not looking bad. So it might be EG and AN today. Might be EG and AN. Resistance. Resistance. This H4 we just need to hold up. If this H4 can't hold up, then the next H4 can, like, you know, do its little pullback, then continue like trying to fill this range, break this low, fill this wick. So I think you can have some sell action here and EG. Based off the H4, nice continuation. Staying positive. Yeah, just gotta see. It's not looking bad, bro. ACAT is not looking bad. It's just gonna drag you out. It's gonna drag you, bro. But I like EG. EG's looking good, bro. It's about to break above this pullback level. This price came up, well, it came down. All of this was a pullback. All of this was a pullback. So now we can anticipate for it to, like, you know, do that correction right here. Continue going down. So that's what I'm looking at on EG. H4 impulse. Volume. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see what can happen on EG right here. Okay, the spread on this one is not bad. The spread on this is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Mm, 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 0.5, 4.89, 4.89, EG, EG. All right, so let's see. Nice, 15 point. Bro, match trader is so bad, bro. So bad. Match trader is so bad. All right, so I got EG right here. Let's put this next to AN. So I think that's gonna be it today for the swing setup. So let me share this in the let's see what the rest of got AN and we got EG. So let's see. Let's see. All right. AN. Alright, so both of these are executed based off the H4. So what I'm gonna do on EG, if price goes back, let's see, you gotta be super aggressive. 8 pips. So if price comes back up here, I'm gonna close half. Just gotta set an alert right here. And on AN, we got an alert to close half up here. So yeah, I'm gonna leave these two running for the rest of today and see what happens. Let me set a target on EG and yeah. So let's see. We sell EG on which time frame? Well, this is based off the H4. This is based off the H4. So if the next H4 can open, you know, and do like a nice continuation. So that's what it's based off. So if it comes back to this alert, I'm gonna close half. So that's what I'm gonna do on EG. See ACAT still ranging. Just gotta make sure manage risk. Oh, look at the JPY. JPY is flipping. JPY is flipping. Forward time frame, yeah, forward time frame. I mean, you could always go in on the lower time frame. You could always go in on the lower time frame and wait for, like, you know, you can wait for stuff like this. You know, I'm just anticipating, you know, the break based off the H4. Basically the same thing that I do on gold. So that's what this is all about. UJ. Five-minute highs. 5-minute high and support. 5-minute high and support. 5-minute who? 5-minute H1 and support. Yeah, UJ is not looking like it's gonna go up, bro. It's looking like it's ready to go down based off this. So the JPY is flipping. You got volume coming in on the downside right now on the JPY. Just bad. So let's see. I'm gonna hold these. And see what happens. Because even this candle here should respect this high. If it's gonna go down, it should respect this previous candle. Should respect it. After every resistance, it usually respected. Got a resistance here. This one respected that one. This one respected that one. Resistance here. This one respected. Resistance here. So let's see what happened right here. 80 CAD. See gold real quick. Bro, gold is ranging. I think we can call it early here today, bro. It's a Friday, like gold is ranging. The swing setups are like, you know, whatever. We got 2 positions holding. I'm a update these positions in the group. Like wherever I close half, wherever I close half, I'm gonna update it. Like update these 2 in the group. So let's see. Let's see what happened.
Anakin is gone.
A-Cat is a joke, bro. A-Cat is gonna be a fraud. A-Cat is looking like it's gonna be a fraud. A-Cat is like it's gonna be a fraud, Roshan.
You were the chosen one. It was said that you would
Gold is
destroy us
just
and not join them.
a scammer today, so we just gotta wait until Monday.
Not leave it in darkness.
And you
For my brother Anakin, I loved you.
forward time from here. It's a swing. It's setting up like a swing. Don't hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. 80 cat, bro. Like, what is 80 cat doing? Bro, 80 cat is, hey, Harris, what's up, bro? From Netherlands, what's up, bro? Did I miss something? Not really, bro. Like, gold, you came in at the right time because we got faked out on gold. Earlier, got a fake out here. Came back in this range. Even this one thought that it was going to close above. And then, like, it's still ranging. Told you UJ Milton, bro. Check 5 minutes. Yeah, I just checked it. It's ready. It was ready to break that level. Yeah, I can see that. Started pushing down here. Did a range for like what, an hour or so, and now it's breaking again. So crazy stuff on UJ. No top wick. It's melting. I guess it's doing a correction now, because remember we were looking at GJ and we were like, okay, it's been going up, it needs to do something. They've been going up, so this could be the correction. Could be the correction. But yeah, you could see it right here, like on the 5 minute you could see it clear. It broke. We're done with the uptrend. It broke this range, confirmed it, and then this is more confirmation. So EJ, same thing. Russian, you need that on ACAT, bro. You need that same volume on ACAT on the downside. We need that on ACAT. You need that on AN. You need that on EG. Yeah, so let's see. I believe in you, EG. I really do. I really do, bro. My confluence are on 5 minute first. It create double top and then made H. When you say HNS, what do you mean HNS? Make HNS high. What do you refer to as HNS? What do you refer to as HNS, bro? Then made Will Smith. Head and shoulder, bro. How you expect me to know that, bro? I don't use that as my confluence. If I see it and it's super obvious, then but I don't be looking for head and shoulder. We made head and shoulder on which time frame? Because I don't see no head and shoulder here. Which time frame did it make that head and shoulder on? Got volume on the downside though, so that's good. Where you got head and shoulder. The only thing I see is a reverse head and shoulder. I don't see no head and shoulder. USD sell. It's looking like that. USD selling right now. We got volume. You could ride this momentum. But if you didn't catch it early, like who was talking? Like Ashraf. Ashraf caught it early. He be locked in on UJ. So he saw it from right here. Think maybe you could wait on a nice little pullback. Then you could get in on sells. That shouldn't be a bad idea. This is a breakout sell at this point. It's a breakout sell at this point. Shit, what you say? 5 minutes after making double top, it created head and shoulder. Okay. 5 minutes after creating double top, created head and shoulder. All right, let's see. And you, what else got volume? So only the JPY got volume right now. Only JPY has volume right now. Only JPY. Like if this H4 can close bearish, then on the JPY, bro, like on the JPY, like I'll be looking for the next candle to like same thing like with on gold. Like if it can close bearish, I'm gonna wait on that top wick and just execute on that basically something like this. You can do an execution based off the H4. Just use the previous H4 as like, you know, do something like this and then be like, okay, you have a target here, nice clean range. So this could be a setup. Price comes down here, you could start managing risk to like break even. Like if there's volume now, there's gonna be volume for the next 4 hours. Cause this is the thing, bro. Like when you have like look, like if you look at JPY right now, bro, it's been going up since 9 a.m. So that volume needs to shift. So if you can get like 2 or 3 candles on the downside, like you know, you could get in on that sell. And then if you look at everything what's going on right now, like you know, this could be resistance. Let's check the higher time frame. Yeah, because it's disrespecting this push, bro. You know, broke out right here. This kind of pushed up and now it's coming back. You know, so let's see. Let's see what happens. Just gotta manage risk, bro. Like, just gotta manage risk. This H4 has no top wick, which is crazy. Do you buy and sell on TradingView? Nah. I'm using Match Trader and Trader Locker right now, which is a mess. I'm using 2 platforms right now, bro. Two platforms, bro. 2. Well, EG is coming back up here. Not looking good on EG. Maybe could have waited on more confirmation. But let's see. I'm gonna hold this still. Yeah, tough price action. No volume, just crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. ACAD still ranging, like just a mess. There's nothing to wait on today. Gold, let's see gold real quick. Yeah. Gonna call it early here today. Early here. But I'm tired, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired, bro. I need a weekend rest. I need a weekend rest, bro. It's been a long week. It's been a tough week. It's been a tough week. But we gotta lock in, bro. Have to lock in. Like gold is not. I'm not convinced on gold right now. Like honestly, I'm not convinced on gold. Like even if it close right here, bro. Like gotta see some real stuff happening. Cause you see what it's been doing. Like it's been. Look, it acted like it was gonna break right here. It acted like it broke above. Here it acted like it broke above. So we don't want to get caught up in the same thing. I want to see a break all the way up here. All the way up there. What alert was this? Let's see. Was that EG? It's on EG. It's time to close half. Yeah, that was EG. So let's see. Crazy rejection here. Bro, this price action is horrible, bro. Horrible price action. Horrible price action. Horrible price action, bro. Let's see if it will close with a body. So this week has been super tough on the swing side. It's crazy because you have a week when gold is super tough, and then you have another week when the swing setup is super tough. So we just gotta see. Only thing you can do is manage risk. So if I could save like 0.2, 0.15, that would be good. I'm not gonna let the whole thing hit. Definitely not gonna let the whole thing hit. Yeah, keep an eye on this right here. A super close watch on this. Just gotta close half over here. I want to see if there's gonna be a nice solid close with a body above this level. Then I'm gonna close half. And doing its thing. see. I need gold to close super solid, bro. What song, bro? Let's see. It just says speak. Speak. That's what it's called. Speak. But we need something convincing on gold. Maybe like up here. So solid, like just solid. Not no, like not right here, like solid, like like when you feel like you're gonna miss the move, like something like that. Cause at least you can be like, okay, let's wait on support. But if it's gonna like mess around here and then the next kind of gonna come back, like at this point, like on gold, I would want to see like a candle close above this wick, bro. Above this wick. Above that wick. Right, I gotta keep an eye on EG because I gotta manage risk over here. Gotta manage over here. Yeah, I gotta manage over here. I'm gonna keep an eye on this over here. H1. Anyways, let's see gold. Yeah, gold need to do better, bro. Gold need to do better. Gold needs to do better. Gold needs to do better. Solid close, solid closure. Bro, I gotta change my coffee. This coffee is so bad. I can't even finish one cup of it. It gets cold, I warm it up, and then it's like cold again. Like I think I got used to this coffee. It's just because it's black coffee. It's just no sugar, nothing. It's hard. Yeah, gold, you just gotta wait for a proper close. I'm trying to see if I could give it another shot on a solid close. But if it doesn't look convincing, then there's nothing on Goldie. Just gotta wait until maybe Monday for a nice little setup. Blue Mountain. Nah, it's I don't even know what it is. I gotta check. Blue Mountain, is Blue Mountain coffee good? Aside at the like local store, but I didn't buy it. But I know they have it there. I never tried it before though. But I think I got used to this coffee. This brand like doesn't work anymore. One time I would be like, when I first started drinking that one, I would get so hyped, bro, like pre-workout hype. But no, it's like it's not cutting it. It's like it made me more tired than anything at this point. Yeah, gold is just, bro, see, like, nothing on gold, bro. Nothing on gold. Can't do anything with gold. Can't manage risk over here. Can't do anything. Show the 1 hour. Look at this range. Imagine ranging for 1 hour. That is crazy. maybe New York Open, like there will be some volume to push it up. But apart from that, it's just ranging. And it's crazy because there's no news today. Just like Friday price action right here. Just Friday price action. So some days you're gonna be ranging. Some days you're gonna have price going down, up. You know, so you gotta be prepared for days like this when it's just ranging. Just have to be prepared, you know. Because not every day is a trading day, anyways. Some day you just gotta chill. Some day it's a chill day. Some day it's a chill day. Back into the range, bro. Back into the range. Back into the range. This Sunday, March 23rd, the platform will be temporary and accessible from friends or fidelity bringing. Yeah, these platforms were a joke. On UJ, you think UJ broke support? Yeah, man asked that really, bro. Recently start drink coffee, bro. Maybe like a little over a year, bro. Recently started drinking coffee. You know where I usually get my coffee? Dunkin', bro. And apart from that, like I've tried maybe like one brand, but I gotta try it. I gotta try it, bro. You think UJ broke support? I see UJ. I'm not really locked in on oh, EJ is pushing up. Yeah, right here. I'm gonna close this thing half. Let's see this 5 minute. What time is it? Yeah, let's see. Still at the same spot. Yeah, this is based on price action. Yeah, you just want to close. Just manage this right here. Just want to manage this right over here. So EJ brought close 2.44. 2.44. Yeah, 2.44. So let's see. Maybe if it break, we'll add the other half. But as of now, like this is not looking good. Praise rejection. Got 2 more hours for the next H42. So yeah, this can end in a rejection here. If it breaks its own high, I'm gonna just close the whole thing. Because it has to respect its high. Break its high, I'm gonna just close the whole thing. Are you looking for sell or buy? How's it going? Hold on, let's see. I think UJ. Bro, like if you didn't get in on UJ when it was breaking, then you just missed it. You just missed it. It's not giving proper pullback on a 5 minute. Like it's like barely pulling back. You missed it. This was the breakout right here. This was more of a breakout than EG. Are you looking for sell or buy on gold? Gold, I'm waiting for buy opportunities on gold. But right now, bro, like I'm about to just call it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just call it. Not even gonna wait until New York open, bro. Super tired. Price is ranging. Price action is just bad. Like, everything is a mess right now. The only other thing that I'm interested in right now is to get that continuation on NZD Swiss. But see, it already broke. I was hoping it would hold up for the next candle, but it already broke. So waiting on that impulse, bro. Continuation pattern. Yeah. So let's see. I was hoping EG would do what this is doing right now. But EG is, I'm gonna just probably close the whole thing here, yeah. Close the whole thing right here. Close the whole thing right here. Yeah, so tough week on the swing. Tough week on the swing. So let's see what AN can do, bro. See what AN can do. Tough week on the swing. I was hoping this week could get a buffer. The winning trade on Monday, trade locker. They were switching, so missed out W. Had 2 L's this week, and I like 2 L's this week. Let's see. 2 L's this week on the swing setup. 2 L's this week. Took a L on G card, and now EG. Wait, why is it not showing? Yeah, EG, G card. So let's see if AN can make a difference. Let's see. See what AN can do. TP on AN. Russian A-CAT is not looking good, bro. Crazy price action over here. TP, we have to do 1 to 2 on this one. I don't expect it to hit this level, but maybe at 1 to 1, I'm gonna just put it break even. So I'm gonna set an alert here. Set a nice alert here. Bro, my trader is not, it's not even showing, maybe it's not even showing the close position on EG just now. It's not even showing it. So let's see. Yeah, it's not even showing it, bro. I don't get this platform. Close positions open. Maybe you got to update or something. EG. Yeah, so this week down. This week down. This week down 0.7% on the swing. 0.7%. So let's see. Okay, FOMO, you call it. So yeah, I'll call it here, bro. Are you looking for a sell or buy? On gold, bro, like it's ranging. I'm not looking for anything right now. I'm about to call it a whole week. Hey, Brad, what do you think? Should I hold my position on gold? What position are you in on gold? I'm in a sell right now from rejection area. Honestly, like it's ranging, so it's 50-50. 50-50. I mean, you got the trend. Maybe you got like a slight edge, but price is ranging. It can go anywhere. Like if I was in sales here, like I would be in break. I would put it at break even just in case, like, you know, it tries to break, but you can't know. It's really, you can't really know, like, because it's ranging. But if it's on the lower end, that's good for you because it can break and make structure down here. So it's 50-50. If it break, that's good. If it stop your break even, you know, it's just because like it's ranging. But I'm gonna keep an eye on that. So that's it for this week with G and NZD Swiss. NZD CAD. Oh, now it's going on the upside. GJ, if close 15-minute candle below bearish and next 15-minute break below, good idea. So, but isn't GJ in the same position like UJ? GJ, if 15-minute close below bearish and next 15 break low with good, so yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, if the next candle can like open, make a topic, flip and break, then that should be good. That's a good setup. That's a good setup. Just gotta think like if you make a top wick right here, it's gonna go down. Shouldn't be breaking its own high. This is live, bro. Yeah, this is live. But that's not a bad idea, Mikhail. It's gonna come down. I mean, it just had like resistance here. This would be a nice setup on Goldie. And it's gonna break below. So just wait on this closure and then the next candle make a top wick, flip, break the low. I think that's a good probability setup. You have a nice range down here, 25 pips. So there's volume on the downside now on JPY. So you know you got time where you can manage risk too. So that's a good idea, man. That's a good idea. Roshan, you still holding that ACAT trade, bro? It's not looking good. This is gonna close super solid above this level here. Can't celebrate too early, bro. Gotta wait for that break and close. We got NZD cat breaking too. Yeah, but I'm gonna call it a day here, bro. Let's see what happens next week. Let's see what can happen next week. Let's see what can happen. Holding UJ too. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm tired, bro. Like, super tired. Thanks for the stream, brother. Hey, no problem, bro. Monday, we're gonna see what happens. We got a fresh week, fresh candles, fresh price action, like, fresh everything. Fresh everything coming. Right now, gold is just ranging, bro. But what I would want to see, like, if I'm gonna, like, a solid close, bro. Solid close. No playing around with gold right now. 1L, 1W today. Yeah, today so far, 1L on gold, 1L on EG. Got AN running. AN running. So the only thing that can make a difference today is AN. Gold is the key level, bro. Gold is in key level. Yeah, gold is just ranging crazy. Gold fly now. You think so, but bro, we've been watching it for the past. We've been watching gold since 3 a.m., bro. We've been watching gold since 3 a.m. and nothing. Got one. We try to get the London Open volume. Maybe New York Open you can get volume, but London Open volume wasn't it. So one trade today, no second chance. We'll save that second chance for next week. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Gotta fix the TikTok too. Gotta fix the TikTok too for next week. So we got some work to do. But can't chase price, Can't chase it and make stuff up in your head. If it's not breaking and closing, like there's no setup. H1 ranging. Appreciate your patience, bro. Appreciate your presence, bro. Hey, Joseph, appreciate it, bro. 1 hour market will aggressive. Yeah, bro, I already given it like 3 hours. There's only so much I can. I've already given it, bro, like what? 4 hours, bro. I already gave it 4 hours, bro. And nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I have insider info go short. Okay, bro. We're gonna do it on the other account. We're gonna go short on this one. Gonna go short on this one. You got insider, bro? See, bro. I did it, bro. I did it, bro. I did it right here. We're gonna swing this low. We're gonna swing that low. Did it. Joke. Too late, bro. I already did it. Too late, man. I already did it. But yeah, bro, I'ma call it right here. Nothing too crazy happening. Let's see. Next week gonna be good though, I feel it. We're gonna get lots of rest for the weekend. We're gonna be sharp Monday, bro. Monday we're gonna be sharp and ready. Monday we ain't playing. Monday we ain't playing. Monday we coming to get that runner on Goldie. Coming to get that runner on Goldie. That's what's gonna happen on Monday. Going for that runner. No news today. Mommy, you still here? You still here? I'm surprised you didn't fall asleep. No news today? No news today, mommy. No news today. Thank you. No news today. Well, we got CAD news at 8:30, but we ain't gonna be a part of that. Ain't gonna be a part of that. Sleep on wake. You slept on wake. Yeah. We just seen what's gonna happen over here. Slow day today, nothing crazy. Friday, EG. Yeah, got out of there. Have to get out of there. EG could have probably waited until if it was like 9, if it was like 8, when that beer candle, maybe that would have been different, but too much time. Too much time was left. So we gotta keep that in mind. You trade gold, yeah. Yeah, trade gold every day, bro. Every day we try to find a setup on gold. Today, didn't work out. That impulse buy didn't work out. So we're gonna see what happens on Monday. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here right now, bro. For real this time. Tired, bro. So, but alright. So you guys have a good weekend, man. I'll see you guys on Monday. We locked in 3 a.m. sharp. 3 a.m. sharp on Monday. Like we live. We locked in. So let's see. But you guys take care, bro. Like just don't overtrade on gold right now. It's a Friday. Like you don't want to go too crazy. Just do like half the risk. And like, give it one chance today, and that's it. Because it's Friday. So, we locked in for Monday. I'm going to update the AN and the EG in the Telegram, though.